Are you looking to start your career in cloud computing? Want to become a Google Cloud engineer? Then this course is perfect for you. Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy's Google Cloud Platform, GCP, course for freshers. Why Google Cloud Platform? Google Cloud is one of the top cloud providers in the world. Companies are hiring skilled GCP professionals with high salary packages. With cloud computing growing rapidly, now is the right time to learn GCP. What you will learn in this course. In this 8-week intensive training program, you will learn Google Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Google Kubernetes Engine, GKE, GCP architecture patterns, and real-time cloud projects. Hands-on practical training. This course includes GCP free credits, live hands-on projects, real-time scenarios, interview preparation, and certification guidance. Course details: duration, 8 weeks, price, 24,000 rupees, specially designed for freshers. Career opportunities after completing this course. After completing this course, you can apply for roles like Cloud Engineer, GCP Associate Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Cloud Administrator. Limited seats available. Enroll now and start your cloud career with Yajentio Training Academy. Contact 7418602650 89251-32650 today to book your seat. Email contact@yajentiotrainingacademy.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IT course updates. Start your journey in Google Cloud today. Start your cloud career with Google Cloud Platform at Yajentio Training Academy. In this 8-week GCP training program, you will learn Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, GKE, and GCP architecture patterns with real-time hands-on projects and certification guidance. Tools covered: Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Google Kubernetes Engine. Perfect for freshers who want to start a career in cloud computing. Contact us today to enroll. Now, if you want more updates, please subscribe to follow our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.